Hello everyone, I'm architect Sakshi from Serene Spaces Private Limited. Today I am here at IFC M3M Sector 66 Gurgaon. So we are here to shoot our project that is Lambda Lego. So here we are at the reception of Lambda Lego. So here is the reception area that is very huge, light colors in the reception area. The paneling is in lighter shade, the furniture is in lighter shade, even the hint of pastel color that we have used is very light. The curvy walls that we have used are different concept rather than using the linear walls. These are the walls that we have used. If I talk about the flooring space, the flooring has some hint of beige shade and whiter, and overall the area is looking very brighten up and more welcoming to visitors. And this is the reception table. We have used a curvy reception table here. So if I tell you about space planning, we have planned the space in such a way that we have connected the conference room directly with the reception area. Then coming to our workstation area, we have given an open ceiling here, and we have given openness to the space so that the space should look breathable. So these are the phone booths over here. 2 phone booths we have given. Then these are the cabins. So we have designed the glass in arch format. Here you can see the arch, and we have used a style door over here so that there is very minimal sound that can transfer from that cabin to outside. So this is our cabin. I talk about the designing wall. We have used a stone pattern over here, and the theme here is very earthy and very luxurious. At same time, we have used a glass tiles over here. Then we have played with the curved light and arch design. In whole office, we have used curvy ceiling and curvy pattern, wavy workstations. Everything is in curve. So the best part of this office is this cabin. We have designed the space in such a way that the MD can have a view of whole city from here. You can see the beautiful view from this 27th floor. And since the shape is irregular, we have played with the curvy ceiling just above the space. And if we talk about the desk, it is imported from the China, and the finish is very nice. So let's talk about the best space of this office. This is pantry area, and we have used a pop theme over here so that there is some break in this area. We have used the pop swings here. Such a cute swing we have used over here. And we have used the open mesh ceiling just in the ceiling. And then we have used planters in ceiling to add some greenery in the space. Then this is the high platform that we have used, and we have used Moroccan tiles on floor, and we have used the louvers on wall. This is the acoustic we have used over here to make soundproof, and we have used a accent acoustic over there, and we have played with the India map. So this is our conference room. So you can see we have played with the contrasting wall and ceiling. We have played with a rust orange color in wall and on ceiling. We have used a very minimal colors over here so that the ceiling and wall can get highlighted. And you can see we have used profile light on the wall, which is going till the ceiling end, and we have used the accent light just above the table. And if we talk about the leatherite color that we have used is a camel shade, and we have used wooden flooring over here. We have used louvers on this wall, and these are the space we have provided to client to put some accent light. Hope you liked our project, and we deal in commercial space designing pan India. We have team of interior designers and architect. So to get your area designed, you can contact on the detail given below. Thank you.